Good morning, guys. Last day in the apartment. It's gonna be my last night sleeping here. The sun is baking all this snow away. Let's go. I was probably gonna need like a week or so to do it. Yeah, today I'm just gonna be packing down my backpack and a few other bits and bobs. And then I'm going to Jesse's place in northern Zealand, north of Copenhagen, where I haven't been for like 11, 12 years. Yeah. I'm hanging out with my friend's mom, guy who lets me stay here. It's nice, you know, she's been really sweet to me, always offering help, even gave me some food when I was completely broke. So I just wanted to hang out with her one final time before I leave this town. I mean, I'm sure I'm gonna see her again, but I don't know when. So she's a nice lady. I just wanted to hang out. Also, I'm not really doing much today. I was just waiting to get a hold of my friend, and he's busy right now, but I think he's gonna drop by his mom when he's done. So I guess it's as good of a place as any to wait for him. Right now I'm just gonna go pick something up for me and her. Yeah, then I'm going back to her, hanging out, waiting for my friend. Last dinner in this place today. My friends came over and helped pack down some stuff. I'm over here watching War of Dots.
Get rid of this one out here in a moment. Let's go ahead and retreat him a little bit.
And I gotta clean up the kitchen a bit and make some sushi.
Okay.
Last dinner.
Get him involved. We'll let him do his thing.
I got quite a bit of shrimps and chicken. I'm gonna cook it all. I'm gonna treat myself tonight. Probably get on voice chat with Stony.
Over here.
Watch some anime.
Go ahead and get him into the battle. So I think what we need to do here is we need to
I'm eating some bacon. Frying my last meats.
Yes. Oh, actually, you need to do this. You need to stop him from getting. So he's got 1,
Making
2, 3,
sushi.
4, 5, 6. Interesting. Oh.
Got this sushi roll, guys. I got egg white, fried and breaded chicken, and then I plopped the egg yolk over this. I think it's gonna be pretty good. Guys, I'm eating the last sushi with some fancy exotic. Watching this anime with Stony. Itadakimasu, I forgot to say it. Good morning, guys. Meeting up with Yes, getting on the bus. Hey!
Hi!
Come on. We missed the first bus. Got on the second. Trying to get this car to work here. No dice.
Var det henne så bare lige her?
Ja, det lyder så det spil til dem.
Nej, du går dernede.
Ja, det var lige der. Så kan vi lande ham her?
Det er fordi, vi ikke handler nok herude her.
Jeg har faktisk været her en gang.
Har du det?
Ja, det var meningen, vi skulle nå helt til Langeland, men vi nåede kun til Skårup.
Ja, det synes jeg sted.
Jeg ved ikke, hvad der er bedre Skårup eller Langeland. Så er det luft her så?
Ja, det tror jeg.
Det skulle jeg gerne. Ellers så skal jeg have mine penge tilbage. Det er slut med at betale skat.
Ja, det er det. Skal vi lige snakke?
Ja. Præcis. Drifting. Surstrømming challenge.
Guys, we spent like 2 hours switching out the tires, only for them to find out we already had winter tires on. It was a complete waste of time. But yeah, yes, he's went shopping, and our other friend here, he's just filling in some air in these tires. And then we're going to Newport, picking up my shit. I just gotta pack it down first, and then we are heading to Northern Zealand, north of Copenhagen, basically. I don't know if you could recognize this place, but this is basically where me and Mike and Kiki and the Loud Friends trip ended. We were supposed to make it all the way to Langeland, or we only made it here to Skorup. Oh my god, now one of the tires popped, and they're replacing it with a spare tire. That's so many hours switching tires today. I feel like that's all I've been doing all day. Just waiting for the tire swap situation to complete again. Alright, but just got me a booster. Let's go.
Ja, jeg cyklede. Han laver sådan en vlog hver dag.
Laver hvad?
Dagbog.
Okay, log, ja.
Ja, eller så lægger han op på ikke så.
We filled up the car with most of the stuff. Now I'm just gonna go pick up my helmet and a few other things. It's gonna be nice to get this over with. Let's see, one final look. Oh, gotta get that one, that's yes. One final look at the apartment. Goodbye to this place. Bunch of memories here. Alright, I think I'm ready to go. Pick up my stuff and leave. Handed off my bottles one last time. Going back to the car now, guys. It's all packed up and ready to go. Here we go, guys. I'm locking up. Got the rest of it. Gotta make sure to lock the door. Yep. Alright. Let's close this shit up. Goodbye. Hope I got everything. Really hope I did. Damn. Ciao.
Og så
er
starter
det
jeg lidt.
nemmere ikke at bare tage Astrid?
Jamen, så vi har jo alle de her ting.
Nå, på den måde. Ja, men så gør vi det bare.
Gider du det?
Er det ikke sådan noget? Er det ikke det her? Eller?
Jeg læste så meget, at jeg læste lidt, der var nogen, der skulle sætte deres hesteskræl af ude. Og så det var ligesom, der er ikke en hest.
Der er ikke nogen hastighed. Jeg har ikke nogen hastighed.
Der kravl, man bare droppet det.
Jeg har ikke nogen hastighed.
Guys, my phone ran out of power when we were crossing the bridge. This is multiple hours later. Yeah, basically, I moved into Yes's place. I set myself up down here. It's pretty cozy. We just cleared up things, put all the bags. Yeah. Well, the table's still kind of a mess. I got my things right here next to the bed. And up here, we still have a bunch of sorting stuff to do. Yeah, but we're gonna have a cigarette now. We've been cleaning up, clearing up. And when we got here, Jes made. Oh, what was that? Oh no!
Live.
Oh no!
Nothing happened.
Er den gået i stykker?
Nej.
Godt nok. But Jes made some. He made some meat for us when we got here,
Så eskalerer det bare.
and we had some pasta salad with pesto. Now we're just smoking a cigarette, relaxing. It's gonna be nice here. I like it already.
Ingen gammel.
Yeah.
Kan du se det?
Mm. I've just been too busy to charge up my phone. It's been sitting at 1% all day.
Varm kakao.
Jo. Kunne det være meget lækkert? Jo, det kunne være lækkert.
Du må bare få.